He can whack. Yes, we know that.
That's a massive hit all the way for 6. This is what Pakistan need.
Boundary on the first ball, and that too maximum. Like I said, Fahim is experienced. He's used to batting under these conditions. 82 meters. It's a big hit.
Straight down the ground. There's a fielder there. Oh, and it's dropped. Massive moment in the game. Max O'Dowd. Oh boy.
Very rarely you've seen Netherlands fielders dropping a catch, and that too.
Smash that has Fahim. This is excellent from Fahim. He's taking it on.
In this last 2 deliveries of the 19th over. Slow ball, maybe the big one. Yes, the biggest of the lot. Into the stands. Third 6 of the over.
21 from 8 deliveries. He's changed this game. 89-meter hit.
And 20 from the over already. Edge, another boundary.
They were looking in real trouble. That required run rate was shooting up. Fahim Ashraf has stepped up beautifully for his team. Look at that celebration from the captain, how his emotions changed in a matter of few overs. 4 required. 4 to win, and 4 it is as Pakistan